The bitter cold feels like a broken record. More Arctic air is set to blast across the Midwest, South, and Northeast this week. In Chicago, where the temperature is expected to reach 11 below tomorrow and not get above zero until Wednesday, public school has already been canceled tomorrow. 400,000 students affected. This is Royalton, Minnesota. A blizzard is already on the ground there. A blizzard warning has been issued in 4 states, including Minnesota, North Dakota, South Dakota, and Iowa. The National Weather Service says this will be the most severe storm of the season. With more, we are joined by Eric Fisher, chief meteorologist at our Boston station WBZ. And Eric, here we go again.
It does sound like a broken record here, Jeff, but unbelievable cold, a lot of wind, not a lot of falling snow with that blizzard warning. It's in red here on the map, but gusts of 50 miles per hour, lots of blowing and drifting snow, and wind chills as cold as 50 below zero. That gets into life-threatening territory, really a time we have to stay indoors as much as possible. Timing out some of those wind chills as we head into the overnight and for tomorrow morning, feeling like 20 below in Chicago, 43 below zero in Fargo, 34 below zero in Minneapolis, where it has been unrelenting. And then by the time we head toward tomorrow afternoon, feeling like 10 in Nashville, 18 in Little Rock. So this cold is headed southward, Jeff.
And even farther south, Eric. I mean, we're looking at the prospect of snow in New Orleans.
It sounds crazy, but it is true. These are winter storm watches that are up now anywhere from the Gulf Coast right on down to the water from southeast Texas, clear over to North Carolina. Not just snow, but freezing rain and sleet. As we head toward Tuesday morning, we time this out in the I-10 corridor, and you notice, again, right down to the Gulf of Mexico itself, stretching across Georgia and into South and North Carolina as we head toward Tuesday evening. And on Wednesday morning, this will wrap up and move off to the east. But pretty significant totals when you consider where this is falling, 1 to 3 inches. This is also going to be accompanied by some sleet and freezing rain. And then, Jeff, this is the area to watch. North Carolina, South Carolina. If this trends a little farther west, we could talk big totals for places that don't often deal with it.
Eric Fisher, thank you very much.